Piper, where are we going? To the airport. We going to pick up our new bird.
What kind of bird?
African gray.
Huh? Just because it flies, you got to go get it from the airport? Oh, don't put it all up in the
basket.
That's so funny.
Okay.
It's orange.
Hey guys, I'm here with Anna Kate and Piper and Mama, and Dylan's upstairs. But we will be heading out to Lafayette Airport soon. What are we going to do at Lafayette Airport, girls?
Get the African gray.
African gray. What is an African gray?
Daddy, you know what an African gray is.
Is that going to be our new baby? Hmm?
It's going to be a bird.
A bird? What you want that for?
To play with.
To play with?
It's not to play with.
It's to play with? It's not to play with? It's to play with. Which one is it?
To play with. To play with.
Oh. But he's gonna be a member of the family, huh? Yeah?
Hey, look at it.
Be like, he'll be like Coco, huh?
Dad, what's that?
So tell me, wait. I want to know something. Why are we going to get a bird at the airport? Because it's a bird and it flies? Y'all think it goes to the airport?
No.
Huh?
No, Daddy.
Is it because it's coming from far away?
Yes.
Yeah, from Pennsylvania.
Look, Dad. Oh, yeah.
Cool. So, that's it, guys. We'll post another video here in a few minutes whenever we get on our way. But we are all excited to go pick up our African gray. What's his name?
Sky.
Sky? And we're sure it's, well, boy or girl, it's going to be Sky, huh? Say see you later. Girls, where's the bird right now?
Flying over where? No. Where was it flying over a few minutes ago?
The airport.
No, Alabama. So it might be where? Mississippi now? Yeah.
Wait, so it's in Lafayette?
And then Lafayette, huh? Are y'all ready?
Yeah. So when we get there, he's gonna be there.
He's gonna be there almost probably.
Can't wait to see Sky, huh?
He doesn't.
Sky is in the sky right now.
In the gray sky.
He doesn't know what he's gonna say because he's too excited.
Yeah, we got to pick him up at baggage claim. I hope he's not on that carousel thing where just anybody could pick him up, huh?
What?
That would be silly with all the suitcases.
Dylan, say hi.
Hey. All right. Get back with y'all when we get to the airport. All right, where we at?
Where we at? Lafayette Airport.
And what we doing here again?
Getting the African gray.
Ain't it late? It's kind of late, huh?
10 o'clock at night.
Oh shoot, it's way past my bedtime.
Our bedtime. But not Sky's bedtime.
Oh, no, it's his arrival time.
Come here.
Come on. It'll stop if you stop. Okay. Huh? Let's see. Baggage claim. Let's see. 12 minutes away.
Girls, he's 12 minutes away. That's it.
Due to security and in the interest of public safety, do not leave baggage or other personal belongings unattended at any time.
12 minutes. I'm just watching YouTube while I'm waiting.
I said it was an animal that we were here to get.
God, it's an animal. I'm gonna keep that for a while.
He said God, it's animal.
I am an animal. And I nicknamed you Animal Kate.
Hey!
Because y'all love animals so much. Huh? Oh, God bless you. Yeah, that's your alter ego.
Passengers are reminded not to
Where's the bird?
Hmm?
Where's the bird?
The bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Where is he?
Hmm?
Whatever you say.
Waiting on the man. He was going to get it.
He's not going to get the parrot.
Huh?
He's not going to get the parrot. Information cord.
Huh?
Need information cord, dude.
Dude.
Now I'm not talking. Hey, stop. What he said.
He was making sure someone was that we've been waited on.
Just waiting on the sky.
Priority sky. Sky priority line.
What does that mean? What does that mean, Mom? Stop.
That's just a coinkydink.
That's just when airplanes fly in the sky. Like, really?
Sky's middle name's priority.
First there should be gray, then sky, but it's sky green. Stop. Yeah.
Apparently there's a lot of birds to look through.
Due to security and in the interest of public safety, do not leave baggage or other personal belongings unattended at any time. Do not accept items from unknown
Can't really see him, huh?
You guys want to cut it open now?
What's that?
Is it?
Let's see. Oh, he's good. We're gonna keep him like that.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good night.
Dude.
Oh, he's so cute. Daddy, everything's covered.
Hi, Sky.
He said hi. He said hi. He's cute.
Oh,
What's the food and stuff?
peanuts.
Come on. Y'all ready?
He's sitting in the back of the distance.
Yeah. Sky, you're not supposed to have your feet on there. Hey, buddy. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Sky.
Well, I can't wait to get home.
I know.
Open them up.
Girls, what y'all think? On a cake.
I just want to leave so we can go.
Bye. Girls, we going home with Sky?
Oh, Dylan. Leave it to Dylan to get stuck in the door.
What?
He said kiss.
Give a kiss.
Give me
A kiss.
a kiss.
You are so sweet.
Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Hi, baby.
He gave you a kiss. Have a kiss. I just got on my one.
Hi, Hi, Sky.
Sky, step up, Sky. Right here.
I want to
Yeah, step up. Come on, this way.
Oh.
want to see Anna Kate? Oh.
You want to come hold him, Dill?
Dylan, come see, baby. Look how sweet.
I just got words.
No,
He's really
really
sweet.
nice. He said, step up.
Right here.
Hurt him, Dylan.
Look, Dylan. This is Dylan.
Oh.
Give Dylan a kiss.
Hi.
He likes you, Dylan.
Give him a
Hi,
kiss.
Sky. Give Dylan a kiss. Oh, you're so beautiful, Sky.
Oh, he's so sweet. Look at him, Dylan.
Hi.
Did you look at him?
They do have yellow eyes. I read that they have yellow eyes, but
Wait, let him do.
do you like Dylan,
Give him a
Sky?
kiss. Give him a kiss, Dill.
Kiss. Sky, kiss Dylan.
Hello, Sky. I know your name's Sky. What's your name? Who's a pretty boy?
Girls, y'all each kiss a cheek.
You're a pretty bird?